Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Mubli's Car. Today, we're taking an exclusive first look at the much anticipated Honda City 2025. If you're as excited as I am to see what Honda has in store for us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Let's dive right into the design. The 2025 Honda City has undergone a sleek transformation. The first thing you'll notice is the bold new front grille and the sharp LED headlights, which give the car a more aggressive and modern look. Honda has really nailed that sophisticated yet sporty aesthetic. From the side, the 2025 City features a more aerodynamic profile with refined lines that enhance its sporty character. The updated alloy wheels and the new color options are definitely eye-catching. And check out the sleek new rear design, those LED taillights are a standout feature. Step inside, the 2025 City is all about comfort and technology. The cabin boasts a redesigned dashboard with a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system that supports the latest connectivity options. There's also a premium sound system and a new climate control interface for added convenience. One of the highlights is the improved driver assist features. Honda has introduced their latest safety tech suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a new 360-degree camera system to make parking and maneuvering easier. Under the hood, the Honda City 2025 is expected to come with a more efficient engine, delivering better performance and fuel economy. Honda's focus on reducing emissions while enhancing power is evident here. Driving the 2025 City feels responsive and smooth. The updated suspension and steering system provide a comfortable and engaging driving experience, whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the highway. Overall, the 2025 Honda City impresses with its blend of style, technology, and performance. It's clear Honda has put a lot of thought into this redesign. What do you think of the new Honda City? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more updates on the latest cars and automotive news. See you next time.